When working on vehicles with electric drive systems, your safety is always paramount. By developing the AVL DiTEST workSAFE, we have created a reliable measurement device that ensures safety in your workshop. Before you can work on an electric vehicle, the high voltage system must be in a safe state. The workSAFE allows you to perform the relevant measurements for this quickly and easily. An integrated self-test ensures that your device functions without error. You can only safely work on the vehicle when the high voltage system is demonstrably de-energized. The equipotential bonding measurement allows you to check whether there is a good conductive connection between all housing parts of the high voltage system. With the workSAFE, the smallest resistance values can be measured precisely thanks to the 4-conductor technology. By checking the insulation resistance, you can be sure that the vehicle's parts under voltage are sufficiently insulated. With workSAFE, you can also measure the insulation resistance on the active high-voltage system. This measurement method is currently required in the Chinese standard for vehicle homologation. In order to demonstrate the occupational safety, every measurement step is automatically logged and saved. Currently, electric vehicles run at up to 800 volts with a voltage range of up to 1500 volts. The workSAFE means you are also prepared for future requirements. Use the workSAFE with Bluetooth connection and battery for wireless working. The robust surrounding rubber housing protects your investment during day-to-day use in the workshop. That's safety. That's workSAFE from AVL DiTEST.